Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your Lovable app on Google Play Store. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and preview the application that you just created. So you can see that I created a simple to-do application for this demonstration. And then you're gonna click on this icon over here in order to publish the application. So make sure that the application is live before you convert it into native. And you can change the URL by clicking on this pencil icon, but I'm just gonna let this URL be. So you're going to simply copy this URL and head over to another tab, and over here you're going to search for convert web app to native, and there are numerous applications that you can use, but I personally suggest using median.co because it is really easy to use. You'll be redirected to an interface like this. You're going to scroll down and paste that URL in this text box. After that, you're going to click on this build your app button and you'll be redirected to an interface that will ask you for the app name and select the organization, and then click on start building my app. After that, you'll be redirected to app branding, so you can upload your app icons and also customize your theme. And over here at the right side, you'll be able to see simulators. So all of the changes that you apply, you'll be able to see them side by side in this simulator over here. Next, you're going to click on build and download and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So over here, you're going to click on build right next to Android APK or AAB. So simply click on build and your application will be within the building process. Next, you'll be able to see this rebuild and download button appear. So you're going to click on download button and click on download APK or AAB file, whichever that you wish to download. Once you have installed your file, you're going to head over to Google Play Console and make sure that you have a developer account. If you're signing in for the first time, then you have to pay a $25 developer fee. That is basically a one-time fee. And once you have paid that, your account will be activated and all of the APK and AAB files that you upload will be listed in the Google Play Store. So that was how you can publish your Lovable application on Google Play Store. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.